Today our lecture is about the antistatic fibers and its core functions in textiles. We will discuss what is antistatic fiber and what is the composition of antistatic fibers. Further, we will also discuss about the different types of antistatic fibers and what are its applications or core functions in textile. Antistatic fibers are used in workwear sector. When we discuss about the definition, antistatic fiber in textile is designed to reduce or eliminate the build up of static electricity in fabrics. This static buildup can occur due to friction, especially in dry environment, leading to discomfort, sparks, or damage to sensitive electronic components. So this is the definition, or this is the what is anti-static fiber for reducing or elimination of static electricity in fabrics, which is caused due to friction or dryness in environment. Composition of antistatic fibers. Antistatic fibers are composed of various elements. Antistatic fibers are typically made by incorporating certain materials that either conductive electricity or dissipate static charges. The composition can include. There are different types with respect to composition. Conductive fibers. These fibers have conductive material such as metal, silver, stainless steel, or carbon integrated into them. These material helps in dissipating static charge efficiently. So this is the first type with respect to composition. Second is synthetic polymers. Some antistatic fibers are made from synthetic polymers such as polyester or nylon, which are treated or coated with antistatic agents. These agents are usually conductive substances like quaternary ammonium salt or carbon-based components or compounds. Third category is blended fibers. Antistatic fiber or antistatic properties can also be achieved by blending natural or synthetic fibers with conductive materials or fibers. The last category is surface treatment. Some fibers are treated with antistatic finishes or coating that enhance their ability to dissipate the static electricity. So when we discuss about the composition of antistatic fibers, it has been categorized in four. First is conductive fibers like silver, stainless steel, carbon, incorporated or integrated. Second is synthetic polymers like nylon or polyesters are coated. Third situation or third category is blending with natural or synthetic fibers with conductive material. The fourth is surface treatment with anti-static finishes or coating. So these can be the possibility of anti-static fibers. Core functions of anti-static fibers. First is static dissipation. They help dissipate static electricity by providing a conductive pathway for charges to flow, reducing the risk of static shocks or sparks. Static dissipation. Second is improved comfort. By preventing the static buildup, anti-static fibers make garments more comfortable as static electricity can cause fabrics to cling to the skin. Third core function is enhanced safety. In industries like electronics, medical, or explosive environments, anti-static fibers reduce risks associated with static electricity, such as igniting flammable materials or damaging sensitive electronics components. So, safety is the core function for avoiding the risks associated to electricity. Fourth is dust and particle repellent. By reducing the static, these fibers help prevent dust and particle from clinging to fabrics, making them especially useful in clean room or industrial settings. These were the core functions of antistatic fibers. First, static dissipation. Second, improved comfort. Third, enhanced safety. And fourth is dust and particle repellent. Further, we will also discuss about the types of antistatic fibers and manufacturers. Different types and different brands of anti-static fibers are used in textile industry. First is carbon-based fibers. These fibers use conductive carbon elements, often blended with synthetic fibers to dissipate static charge effectively. Example is Beltron fiber by Kanebo, Japan, often used in industrial application and clean room garments. This is the example of carbon based fiber, anti-static fibers. Okay. Second is metallic fiber comprising of fine metal filaments, often stainless steel or aluminum. These fibers provide excellent conductivity and anti-static properties. Example is Beknox by Bekaert, Belgium, known for its high conductivity used in productive protective garments and ESD electrostatic discharge clothings. So this type is based on metallic fibers comprising of fine metallic like stainless steel and aluminum. First was carbon based fibers, second is metallic fibers. Third type is metallized synthetic fibers. These are synthetic fibers coated with metals such as copper or silver to create antistatic properties. Example is X-Static by Noble Biomaterials USA, often used in healthcare and performance wear due to its anti-static and antimicrobial properties. This is metallized synthetic fiber. Fourth is type is polyamide conductive fibers. Polyamide fibers are blended with conductive agents like carbon black to impart a static anti-static qualities. Example is Negastate by X Assault Performance Material. USA commonly used in garments for electronic manufacturing environment to prevent EST. EST we have already discussed in previous slide, electrostatic discharge. Fifth type is conductive polyester fibers. These are the polyester fibers with a conductive agent or coating to enhance anti-static performance. Example, Torrecone by Torre Japan, known for its applications in apparel and industrial textiles where anti-static properties are needed. So these are the conductive polyester based fibers. Each type of fiber has specific application and is chosen based on factors like required conductivity, durability, and environmental compatibility. I hope your concept about the antistatic fibers and its core functions and its types would be very clear after this lecture. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Lafis.